Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Bailey made a request in the comments for Procter & Gamble. Thank you Bailey for the suggestion. Let's take a look. Procter & Gamble is a S&P 500 company within the household and personal products industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 3.1%. Earnings growth, 9.5%. Earnings estimates, 6.84%. Return on capital, 13.58%. Debt to free cash flow, 2.19. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.26%. Payout ratio, 60.07%. Growth rate, 5.37%. Growth years, 65 years. Wow, it's a dividend king. That gives Procter & Gamble 8 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Procter & Gamble is fairly valued. What's your thoughts on Procter & Gamble in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. Also, please consider subscribing and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.